Keto for the new year. So 2020 has been quite a challenge. So 2021, I'm going to really kick it off with, of course, my New Year's resolution, getting back into ketosis. The easiest thing I have found is making sure that I have the items on hand. Keeping those fresh items are a little bit difficult unless you're prepared and planned. And I have 2 small children. It's very hard for me to get in and out of grocery stores that have the kind of food that I'm used to on the keto diet to make it easier for me. So I'm going to head to Kroger via online shopping and then order it to pick up. I'm going to try to keep it within $50 to $60 max weekly. Here's my first shopping trip for the new year. Almond milk, chicken tenderloins, a couple of cucumbers, spinach, bacon, eggs, sugar-free jello, pepperoni, and I'll get a larger size. I mean, I don't eat it often. I use it on my pizza peppers, and then I freeze it and just take out a couple of frozen pieces whenever I need to use it. Cheese, mozzarella. You'll see some Colby Jack later, a couple of bell peppers, a couple of zucchini, dill pickles, of course. Those are a must, and I usually buy a jar a week. The Colby Jack cheese, no sugar added ketchup, ground beef, the Extreme Wellness tortillas, already cooked pulled chicken. This is a splurge item, but it makes quick, easy meals that I enjoy. I can put it in the tortillas and make like a panini, make it either buffalo chicken with ranch or just regular chicken salad, iceberg lettuce, broccoli, cabbage. So that will be the first week's shopping list for my new keto resolution.